Another question. This is sine to the power 4a minus cos to the power 4a. And what we have to do in this, we have to prove that this is equals to 2 sine square a minus 1. Okay. Again, we have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. And I am going to use left hand side as usual, sine to the power 4a minus cos to the power 4a. Now, look at here. Sine to the power 4a can be written as sine square a whole of square minus cos to the power 4a means cos square a whole of square. Now, we can take this whole one as a, this one is b. So a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is what? A plus b, a minus b. Okay. So a plus b in one bracket, another bracket, a minus b. Okay. Sine square a plus cos square a identity. We know that value of this is 1. Okay. Now we have sine square a minus cos square a. Okay. Now look at RHS. In RHS we don't have cos, right? So in this we have to remove what? Cos. Simply we have to decide what we are going to do. Whatever we have in RHS means right hand side, we have to keep looking at this, what we want, right? So we don't want cos square here, right? So how to remove cos square in? We all know with the help of identity, in place of cos square, what we can write? 1 minus sine square. Okay. Then close bracket. This is close bracket. Now we are going to open it by changing sign. So it will be minus, and this minus will be plus sine square a. Sine square a क्या होगा? 2 sine square a minus 1. Look at this. RHS. We have taken LHS and at last we have got RHS. Means LHS equals to RHS. LHS ले रहे हैं, सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और लास्ट में क्या मिल रहा है आपको? RHS. Hence proof. ठीक, सारे क्वेश्चंस में यही करना है. LHS लेना है, RHS लेना है. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, बस एक साइड लेके दूसरी साइड हमको क्या करना है? लेना, उसको पाना है. ठीक है, एक सॉल्व करो, दूसरा आ जाए. ठीक है, या ऐसा भी हो सकता है. वी कैन टेक बोथ द साइड्स एंड लास्ट वी विल मेक इट इक्वल. दैट इज आल्सो अनदर मैथड. ठीक है, बट मोस्टली वी शुड टेक LHS. ठीक है, ज्यादातर केसेस में LHS लेंगे. ओके. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, लुक एट हियर. 1/1 plus cos A, 1/1 minus cos A, and we have to prove this is equals to 2 cos square. Again same thing जैसे हम लोग करते हैं. LHS ओके, पूरा LHS लिखेंगे. ठीक है, 1 minus cos A. ओके, now what we can do this? We can take LCM. LCM ले लेंगे. 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A. This divided by this means हम क्या करेंगे? इस पूरे को इससे क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे. जैसे ही डिवाइड करेंगे दिस अपॉन दिस लेंगे, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये बचेगा. क्या बचेगा? 1 माइनस cos A. ये डिवाइड अगर इसको करेंगे तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. क्या बचेगा? 1 प्लस cos A. ओके, माइनस cos A प्लस cos A कैंसिल. 1 प्लस 1 कितना हो गया? 2 अपॉन नीचे a प्लस b, a माइनस b. अगेन a प्लस b माइनस फॉर्मूला a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. a स्क्वायर मींस 1 का स्क्वायर 1 माइनस b स्क्वायर मींस cos स्क्वायर. ओके, 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर. आइडेंटिटी से हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? क्या लिख सकते हैं? साइन स्क्वायर ए. क्योंकि साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए 1, तो 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए कितना हो गया? साइन स्क्वायर हो गया. 2 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर ए. 1 अपॉन साइन क्या होता है? कॉसेक. तो 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर ए क्या हो जाएगा? कॉसेक स्क्वायर है. कॉसेक स्क्वायर ए. अब देखो LHS we have taken and at last we are getting what? RHS. देखो 2 cos स्क्वायर है, so LHS equals to RHS, hence 2. ठीक है. So this is how we are going to prove the questions in trigonometry, right? Some questions related to trigonometry. Our first question is, set A minus 1 upon set A plus 1 is equals to 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Okay. This we have to prove. Now we have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. I am going to take left hand side. Again, you have to write LHS. Okay, now you have to use your trigonometrical ratio. In place of sec A, what we can write 1 upon cos A minus 1. Okay, upon in place of sec A, 1 upon cos A plus 1. Fine. Now this can be written as 1 minus cos A upon cos A, and this can be written as 1 plus cos A upon cos A. Cos A cancel out. Last you will get 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. LHS is equals to RHS. We are taking here LHS and we are getting what? RHS, this one. Hence 2. Now, second question I am going to take, that is 1 upon sec A plus tan A is equals to sec A minus tan. Okay, this is question number 2. Again, we have to prove this one. So in this we have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. I am going to take left hand side. Okay, 1 upon sec A minus 10. Now we want sec A minus 10. So we can multiply this whole sum uh, by sec A minus 10A on both numerator and denominator. In numerator it would be sec A minus 10A upon, in denominator it is sec A plus 10A into sec A minus 10A. Okay, A plus B, A minus B. Formula for A plus B minus B is A square minus B square, means sec square A minus 10 square. Okay, now sec A minus 10A upon sec square A minus 10 square is identity. Identity means sec square A minus 10 square is equals to 1. We have already learned, right? So here we have sec A minus 10. Okay, LHS we have taken. Now we have got RHS. Hence 2.
Okay, this is another question. Under root 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A is equals to cosec A minus cot A. Okay, this we have to prove. Now taking left hand side, okay, 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A within under root. Multiply this by conjugate of this 1 plus cos A. Conjugate of 1 plus cos A is conjugate of 1 plus cos A is 1 minus cos A. Multiply under root of 1 minus cos A to both numerator and denominator. This whole one can be written as within under root 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A means 1 minus cos A whole of square upon 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A means A plus B, A minus B means A square minus B square. Okay, so 1 minus cos A whole of square upon A.
Okay, so today I'm going to discuss some question related to banking, and I've taken two questions. First question is Ahmed has a recurring deposit account with the bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. If he gets rupees 66,250 at the time of maturity, find the interest paid by the bank and the rate of interest. Okay. So first we have to write all the values which are given. So let me start this question. Ahmed has a recurring deposit account in the bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month, whatever amount someone is depositing per month, that is called your P. Okay. For 2 years. For 2 years means n is equals to number of months. So 2 years means how many months? 2 into 20, 2 into 12, that is 24. Okay. He gets means after certain a time interval, if a person is getting something, that is called maturity value 66,250. Okay. Now we have two things to calculate. First one rate and second one interest paid by the bank. Okay. Simply we have to follow the same pattern. First we will calculate I. Formula for I is what? N into P, or you can write P into N plus 1 upon 2 into R into 1 upon 12 upon 100. Okay. P is equals to 2500 into N. 24 N plus 1 is 25 upon 2 into R. We are going to calculate upon 100 into 1 by 12. So double zero cancel out, and this is 12 to the 24, 2 and 2 cancel out. 25 into 25 means 625 R. Okay. So R is equals to 625 R. Okay. Now maturity value. Maturity value is equals to N into P plus I. Okay. N into P means N is 24 into P means 2500 plus I means 625 R. Okay. 625 R. Maturity value is given 66,250. Now calculate this one. 24 into 2500. Okay, I'm just solving here. 66,250 is equals to 24 into 25 means 24 into 25 means 5 for 20 0 2 5 to the 10 10 and 8 18 to 20 0 2 2 to the 4 to 6. Okay, 600 this and double zero plus 625. Okay, this will come this side. 66,250. This is 60,000. This will come this side. 66,250 minus 60,000 is equals to 625 R. This is 6,250 is equals to 625 R. Then R is equals to 6250 upon 625. You cancel out. You will get R is equals to 10%. Okay. Now, the first part was calculate interest paid. Okay, interest paid. Maturity value is getting 66,250, and every month he is paying 2,500. Till how many months? Till 24 months he is paying 2,500 into 24, that is 60,000 rupees. Okay, this is money paid. Okay, maturity value is this. He has paid 60,000, so interest must be this minus this, means that is 6250. 66,250 minus 60,000 will be the interest for this question. Monica had an RD account in a Union Bank of India and deposited rupees 600 per month. 600 per month means P is equals to 600. If the maturity value of the account was this, okay, maturity value is given 24,930 and the rate of interest was 10%. Okay, R is equals to 10%. Find the time. Okay, N is equals to question mark. This N we are going to calculate. Simply, we have to follow the same pattern. That is I is equals to N into P. Okay, and we are going to calculate P is equals to 600 plus. Or you can write here P 600 into N. We don't know N plus 1 upon 2 into R is 10 upon 100 into 1 by 12. Okay. So, double zero cancel out. 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 5 n plus 1 upon 2. This is I. Now maturity value formula. N into P plus 5n n plus 1 upon 2. Maturity value is given 24930 is equals to 600n plus 5n n plus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now you can easily cross multiply it, and after cross multiply you will get equation. Just writing the equation for you. That is 5n square plus 5n plus 1200n is equals to 49860. Okay. Now this can be written as n square plus 241n minus 997 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Simply you can simplify quadratic equation. You know how to simplify quadratic equation. This value of n will be 36 for this. Okay, if you are getting any negative value, please ignore because time cannot be negative. So n is equals to 36 with the help of this quadratic equation.